Both officer-involved shootings will be scrutinized carefully to determine if the officers acted appropriately. Ari Height sat down with a law enforcement expert to get his opinion on the action of the officers. Ari joins me now in the studio with what the expert thinks. Ari?
And to be clear, that expert, Stuart Kaplan, is not investigating either one of these shootings, but he's been a part of so many similar cases in the past, and he has very different opinions on how the officers responded to these two shootings. Security video shows the most recent shooting. 10 o'clock Sunday night, an Indian River County Sheriff's deputy arrives at a gas station, and within seconds, he's attacked by a man with a knife. The deputy runs away, the man continues to approach, and the deputy shoots.
2106, shots fired. I just had a man come at me with a knife.
Police identified the suspect as Jeffrey Miller. He died at the scene.
That is a perfect example of how crazy the world is.
Stuart Kaplan is a former FBI agent and says every move this deputy made was the right one.
He literally ran away from the individual to get distance because distance is what could save his life.
Kaplan says the deputy was lucky to escape the first time Miller attacked him. He had no choice but to shoot when Miller kept coming. Kaplan says the actions of the officers in the other shooting this weekend are a little more questionable. 3 officers were responding to a 911 call at a home on Bayshore Drive. They entered the home through an open door and were met by a man who they say pointed a weapon at them. 62-year-old David Taylor was shot and killed. His family, though, says not only was Taylor the resident of the home, he's the one who called 911. Kaplan says he wonders why Taylor wasn't still on the phone with 911 and why officers didn't know exactly where Taylor was.
I want to be able to put that homeowner in place so that I don't have this scenario where I get out of the car making entry into a house and all of a sudden I am just as startled as probably the homeowner is.
Police say the weapon Taylor pointed at them was a taser, not a gun, but Kaplan says there really would be no way for officers to tell the difference that quickly. The shooting at Fort Pierce is now being investigated by the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. Reporting live, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.